Hello team, good morning, welcome back. It's Monday, July 15. We are already halfway through the month. And it's a decent week news-wise to be summer. But remember, it's summer, price action is not going to make anything too extreme, in my opinion. Despite this Donald Trump assassination attempt, I don't think we're gonna see too much. Let me see next week. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Okay, all the fun is in New York, basically. So right now we are seeing something slow. Let's start with super high time frame because it's a long time we don't check high time frame and I want to do it. So monthly, it still don't say nothing to me. Printing one low, one bearish, one bullish, one bearish, one bullish, but we are staying in this range, which is kind of disgusting. Well, it's not disgusting, it's like 800 pips, but you know, it's not breaking it. So on a monthly level, you don't get too much to say. Weekly, I was bearish. You remember I was bearish, really bearish. And then we start to close way above this volume imbalance, and then we pushed again. Honestly, I don't know if this swing high should hold right now. Euro being Euro can easily send it down. You know, I make this kind of low resistance liquidity run, but I'm not so convinced. Anyway, we are at resistance and it's a valid resistance, so you shouldn't be too bullish here, you know. You are aware that there is liquidity here and here, but whatever. Daily start to tell us something more. We closed above this wing high, which are into the bearish origin, so to me it's telling me that we need to go higher, that there is still this liquidity untapped from, I don't know, like, oops, from March. And yeah, but again, we are at resistance, so I wouldn't be surprised if we push it lower into this fair value gap before resuming the rally, you know. Actually, it would be kind of nice, would be respectful, because this is a bearish, this is a resistance that it kind of gave up. No, it kind of gave up. It came here, spent 2, 3, 4 days, then gave up. So this is now a breaker, okay? So I love when I see a fair value gap confluent with the breaker. If we're going down here, I will be happily looking for longs into here, this new liquidity, low resistance liquidity run. So yeah, let's see what happens. For now, this is just like an introduction. I don't trade daily or weekly, so all I need is a few pips movement. Okay, last week, I think my last review was on Thursday, we say that this save of the H12 week was bullish, and look how much they pushed it. This was really bullish. Okay, let's go to the time frames that we care now. H4 and H1. So we open with this gap, which is the Sunday gap, and I think it's most likely caused by Donald Trump assassination attempt or whatever. I don't really know, and I don't really care, but I know that it's been rejected by the equilibrium of the gap, which is bearish, you know. It didn't even got filled. It just got rejected. So to my eyes, right now, price want to go lower. How much lower? I don't know. I assume at least to this New York low liquidity or Asia. Is this Asia? Let me see. Oh, not low time frame. Yes, this is kind of Asia. Yes, it's Asia liquidity. So I marked out this bearish origin because to me this one looks legit. This is kind of a breaker. This is like Asia high, mini raid, send it down. I think we need to go here at some point. I actually wanted to set a short, but then I say like, let me do the video first, because if I take a short and get stopped without the video, I get angry. Sorry. Why I have this equilibrium market? Because this is a valid bullish order block to me. Look, they took this flat low into the fair value gap and send it. This is, I know it doesn't look like a raid, but it is a raid because they take liquidity, they raided liquidity, okay, and they send it higher. So this is a support to me. So if we get into a short, I want to get out as soon as the first liquidity, as soon as I see the first liquidity, which to me right now is this Asia low. So yeah, I still think that this one should offer longs, and yeah, I don't know. It's just an untested support, and I don't see this play like high probability. So once and if ever we go back down here, I will reevaluate. If this support gives up, I think we can go much lower. There are reasons to go lower. Look at this liquidity, it's stupid. A volume imbalance here, like a fair value gap. Yeah, there is a liquidity everywhere below. But who knows if they want to send it lower now, you know. This will be the conference with the daily fair value gap, which is here. Oops, 1 second. So gun to my head, we're gonna go down. Gun to my head, we should go down, you know, like this can easily be a market maker sell model. Reversal, more distribution, and we accumulate here, and then we send it higher again. This would be a dream play to me. Let me show you a clean chart. Something like this. This is distribution, more distribution here, going lower, accumulate here into this daily fair value gap, and then send it higher. This will be a lovely play for me. So yeah, I think I don't want to rush in anything. It's just Monday, it's summer. We are moving to this low 13 pips range. You know, all these things from the opening of the week, we are in a 13 pips range. So be aware of that, okay, guys? And yeah, that's enough for me for today. I will speak to you tomorrow. Have a nice week, everybody, and be careful. Ciao.